What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be solving HackerRank problem, picking numbers. So what I did, I went ahead and read through all this, figure out things I needed to do, made a quick checklist in my environment so that it's easy for me just to go through it and not spend a lot of time on the video. A lot of my videos are super long. I'm trying to figure out a way to cut that down. So real quick, I'll explain what we're trying to do here. We're just trying to find the longest set of numbers whose any two given numbers in that set is less than or equal to 1, or the absolute difference is less than or equal to 1. So real quick, so like 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 2 is negative 1, 1 minus 2 is negative 1, but 1 minus 4, the absolute difference is not less than or equal to 1, right? So this would be the only numbers in this set that any two given numbers are less than or equal to 1, the absolute difference, right? So there will be 4 numbers in this set, so I'll return 4 if that's the longest one. But in this case, this is the longest one, so I will return 5. So let's hop right into it and show how to figure this out. So I'm going to set up pointers for my array. Counter. Let's set both those to 0. I'm also going to sort my array. Usually you need to sort arrays within the HackerRank, so I like to just do it, just get it out the way. Keep track when my very last pointer is still within the limits of my array, right? So I'm gonna carry out some functions while a very last pointer is still within this. So if it goes out of this, I won't be doing this while loop anymore, right? So what I want to do, right? And keep track of the absolute difference. So I'm actually making another variable. Let diff equals that will be array at pointer 1 minus the array at pointer 2. So if difference is 1, 4, so if the count, the absolute value is less than or equal to 1, we want to increase our count by 1. We also want to move our slider over, so our second slider over. So pointer 2, 1, right? If we get to a point where it doesn't, we need to make an else statement. Else. We want to set our count to 0. First, so once we hit there, now we want to check if the count is greater than the max. If it is, we want to set max is equal to count, right? Count. Then we want to start count back to 0. So for the next iteration, we go up here again, starting back at 0, so we can count up again. Count equal to 0. We want to move our slider pointer up 1. And then we also want to set pointer 2 equal to pointer 1 plus 1. So pointer 1 comes here, and pointer 2 will be here. All right. Pointer 2 will be there. Save that. Pointer 2 will be there. And at the end of this, we are going to return max. But you might have noticed we run into a slight issue if we ran this because the way we have it now, it's only counting the operations. So this is one operation, this is 2 operations, this is 3 operations. When we get to here, it's another operation, but that operation does not meet our requirements, so it won't increment the count. So we'll have 3 here, and then I'll move on to the next one. We only have 3 here, but we're trying to get 4 numbers, right? So we have 4 here. So if that was the longest one, it will return 3 right now. So I want to return it plus 1. It's probably an easier way to do that, but that's the way I can think of now, right? So we need to figure out what to do once it goes outside of the length. So if pointer 2 is equal to the length, meaning it goes outside of it because it is 0 based. So once it meets the length, that means it's 1 outside of it. It's 1 more number outside of the array. Or it's trying to access a number that's not in the array, right? So it is, we're going to check again if count is greater than max. If it is, we're going to do max equals count. Max equals count. The reason we have to duplicate this code, it's probably a different way to do it, but the reason I'm duplicating it here is because it won't go into here if they're trying to access a number outside of this array, right? Because while pointer 2 is within this array, it checks it, but once it's out of it, this whole while loop will be skipped and then go to this if statement. So if pointer 2 is exactly equal to 1 outside of the array, we'll check to see where we're at. If count is greater than max, then max will replace, max will be switch to the current count, and then we'll be done with that. So then we'll return the max plus 1. So I think that'll work. Let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go down here to pick numbers. Let's run our code. So congratulations, you passed all the sample test cases. Let's submit it to see if we hit all of our test cases. And we did. Success. All right, so that's how you solve picking numbers in HackerRank. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. If you would like to see something else, please put in the comments of what you would like to see, or any other websites you would like me to try out. For example, like Project Euler. I like using that website, but I think this website is better for videos. So like, subscribe, share with your friends if you like it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.